there is harmony
in two. One captures the essence of time,
forever preserved in golden spirit.
One reimagines space,
moving over the land like a
whisper.
We are coming together
To learn from each other, sharing what comes naturally to us. Creativity. We are masters of our crafts,
but apprentices of nature.
so we travel gently
On the roads to innovation
and sustainability, aiming not only to create,
but to preserve all that we touch.
we are but a blink of an eye in nature's great story. And when two come together,
we can create beauty without harming what is beautiful.
the Macallan and Bentley
On an extraordinary journey into the future.